Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a Mustang. I'm not sure of the year. Customer didn't specify that, but this customer has requested the modern internal FM conversion with the Bluetooth edition and wanted the new harness so that he gets a lot more output power out of the unit. So we are here to run it through its paces, make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, talk radio, so I can go through the virtual balance and fader adjustments and all that without fearing getting nailed for copyright because it's playing a song. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Some who've known me.
Here's our AM radio.
So this is very
So
telling.
first thing we'll do is check our balance and fader
These
functions.
are
You
among
need
the
our
closest
meters for
people in
this.
your life, and they were surprised
Okay, we're
at
going
whom
to
you
do
voted for.
the virtual front rear fader. Here we go.
That
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're all the way front,
Some of them
all the
being
way
family
rear.
members. Yeah.
front,
wow, just
rear.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to center them.
this is such an important call.
Fader
Fader
set.
set. Okay, left,
the
right,
thesis
balance.
Of my last hour of
Balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left,
I'm a public
the way
figure,
right.
so it's
Left.
not analogous.
Right.
But if I were not a
okay,
public
center
figure,
them.
there is no doubt.
Balance set.
Okay, let's
no
make sure the
relative
Bluetooth
till
goes
the
into pairing
eighth
mode.
cousin would have known whom I voted.
Bluetooth ready to
Okay,
pair.
so we know the Bluetooth is working.
I'm just
Okay,
saying
let's
it
go
would
ahead and
be
switch it over to
impossible for me to
FM, and I've got all 5
It's
station
not in my
presets
nature.
set to stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly.
Yeah.
And to go between AM and FM, we just turn it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Investing with a professional.
Okay, those two drifted a bit, so just tune them back in.
C1.
Okay, so alrighty, let's try the 8-track. Here we go. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
What they're saying isn't true.
Switch tracks a bunch of times.
Everybody's singing days gone by. Sweeter dove. It's hard to understand what you're doing to me. My heart goes bitter.
Okay, at the end of a song there. Good time to check between tracks for crosstalks. Okay, not getting that.
For someone to love.
Okay, we're at the end of a song here too.
Tell me what. She's not the one for you. Well, you. Oh, what a night. Sweet love. If you're feeling low down, you're gonna put her down. I whisper in your ear. My heart goes pitter pat, and I
A little torture test there. Alrighty, pull the tape out. Radio comes back. Okay, let's test the dial light. Make sure that's flashing. You can just see it flashing on and off through that opening right there as I hit the button. So we're good to go here. She's ready to go back. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old AM 8-Track. We can add FM, Bluetooth, and other features too, depending on what you're looking for. So my website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Tony, for your business all the way from Altamont Springs, Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.